Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best beard kit that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, beard kit for men grooming and care beard. It's not always easy to obtain the correct starter kit. It might be difficult to choose which items are ideal for you and at what price. Fullight Tech has taken a throw everything at it approach with this kit, and we adore it. From scissors to balm to shampoo, they've included about everything you can think of. This is perfect for a complete newbie or a first-timer, since you can try out all of the goods before selecting which ones work best for you and narrowing down your options for the next time you buy a kit. The affordability of this kit is one of its most appealing features. The last thing you want to do with a beginner kit is spend a lot of money, but this is the ideal price range for a kit that you can test out. The folks at Fullight Tech state that the components are free of harsh chemicals, which is a plus. They also claim that shea butter, argan, and jojoba oil are the main ingredients in all of their products. This implies that it will be suitable for most beard types. Even better, there are hundreds of favorable reviews for this product, earning it a spot in my list of best beard products for black men. It appears to be the best deal, and there is no better spot to begin your journey than here. Number 2, Isner Mile beard kit for men, grooming and trimming. This inexpensive gift set from Isner Mile is a great option for those who need to trim and treat a beard that has become unruly. This grooming kit makes things easy with a two-step process for softer and stronger facial hair. This kit includes a potent beard balm made of natural ingredients like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, rosemary leaf extract, lavender extract, tocopherol, and tea tree oil. This blend is advertised as unscented, though it does have a considerable smell when first applied. It is a nice smell, though, and entirely a byproduct of the natural ingredients. The same ingredient set is used in the beard oil, which can be used for a quick touch-up during the day. It gives your facial hair a healthy shine and helps eliminate beard itch. The included boar bristle brush helps add texture to your hair or spread the beard oil around. The wooden beard comb is great for detangling your manly mane without building up any static cling. The included trimming scissors can be used on errant hairs that simply won't stay in place, although they aren't as high quality as those found in other kits. Considering the great value you get out of this kit, you really couldn't ask for more. I decided to take a chance and use the product nonetheless, and it turned out to be a relatively good deal. Some of the product's directions are more like why they're in the kit rather than actual directions. However, a more detailed set of instructions is given in a brochure within the box. Number 3, Viking Revolution beard care kit for men. Viking Revolution is at the forefront of the fight for facial hair relevance, and their budget beard grooming kit asserts the fact that we all deserve to have Viking-level beards without all the pillage and plunder. Even the Nordic winds couldn't dry out your beard hairs once they are treated with the Viking Revolution beard balm. This balm uses natural butters and oils to keep your whiskers healthy and hydrated, all while taming flyaway hairs. The beard oil is a lighter topical that is more for nourishing hair and skin. It uses a similar suite of natural ingredients, though this blend is better suited to leave your beard with a mild sheen. The oil is particularly effective at quelling beard itch, so massage that stuff all the way down to your chin every time. The hair care products smell refreshingly citrusy. They titillate the senses without being too overpowering to wear all day. On the contrary, you may find yourself applying more balm or oil throughout the day just to refresh that lovely fragrance. These products can be easily applied with the included boar bristle brush. The wooden mustache and beard comb is a nice touch, as it has two different teeth widths for different beard sizes. The trimming scissors are a must-have, though they aren't particularly high quality. Number 4, Ultimate Beard Care Conditioner Kit, beard grooming. All items come in a sleek metal box. You will get a wooden boar hairbrush, a pocket beard comb with two sides, citrus-scented beard-style balm, unscented beard care oil, and scissors. The brush and comb will aid in detangling your hair, while the oil will soften it before applying the balm. The box contains foam inserts, allowing it to be used repeatedly. The balm and oil will help with a brittle beard and beard irritation and dry skin. The beard oil is unscented so that it won't interfere with the citrus aroma. The oil is mild enough to be used daily for hair and skin health. Starting with shampoo and soap and ending with oil and wax. Inside, you'll find the brand's sandalwood beard comb, beard shampoo, beard body soap, beard oil, beard balm and mustache wax, which have each been enriched with essential oils for therapeutic benefits and are made with organic ingredients to prevent itching. This kit includes both a shampoo and conditioner to clean your beard and keep your skin beneath hydrated. The shampoo has some ingredients that dry your hair out, so you should definitely use the conditioner every time you use the shampoo. The kit also includes a beard balm to shape and nourish your beard throughout the day, plus a beard oil spray bottle to give your beard that well-groomed sheen. Number 5, 10-in-1 Beard Kit for Men, Gifts for Men. The Dovich Beard Grooming Kit comes to your rescue. This well-packed kit comes with beard oil, conditioner, balm, shampoo, razor, scissors, and brush. Phew. And if this was not impressive, the kit also contains a free linen bag and apron bib to catch stray beard hairs. The beard care products are all natural and come enriched with ingredients like vitamin E and aloe vera to nourish curly, black men's hair. We were also impressed with the ebook that gives a detailed beard care guide. The high demands of a true beardsman. This travel size set features essentials like a pocket-sized bamboo beard comb for detangling your facial fuzz, as well as straightener, wax, and balm. This results in a lustrous mane. You get a fully greaseless finish that appears healthy and shiny with avocado, jojoba, and argan oils. It also has a pleasant sandalwood aroma. Even more, everything comes in a handy small travel bag that keeps the entire set secure, which we adore. Although the grooming kit lacks a beard comb, which is an absolute must-have for any excellent kit, we were so delighted with the 3 products it does have, so we decided to include it on the list. Simply fill the sack with your preferred comb, and you're good to go. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.